Hey guys, all right, I got everything put back together. Got new fuel line right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's supposed to be gas and oil resistant to deterioration, so hopefully we won't have to do this again. This is the chainsaw that was just given on the side of the road. So this primer ball is loose in here. It's not the one that's supposed to have. You can see it's kind of loose, but it works. Got it hooked up. I got another one on order. I'm gonna try to start this thing. Everything seems to work. The choke works. Half choke all the way in. Start and stop. So it's on right now. I got gas primed in it. So let's go. Okay, it starts, but I've got to adjust the air and the throttle, so I'll be back in a minute. Alright guys, so it looks like I can't keep this thing from bogging down, so I'm going to adjust the air right here, and then there's two more down here. So right now it was about right there, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it up, start it up. Too low. all she wrote.